What's up, guys? Thanks for stopping back by the channel. Hey, my name is William. Appreciate your time. Today's video is going to be a little bit of a virtual tour for my girlfriend who's trapped in Hong Kong, because it doesn't look like I'm going to get to see her next month. So I'm going to drive up to a little place called Lover's Leap, Virginia. Those of you who are familiar with the area know what I'm talking about. It's up in the mountains. It's a little scenic overview. I'm going to go up there. I'm going to take some shots, take some videos. I'm going to put the drone up in the air. Looks like it's going to be decent for this evening. Get the drone up in there. Use the GoPros on the Camaro back here. Do a virtual drive up there. So, with all that being said, hope you stay tuned. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and let's get these cameras on this car. Up here to Lover's Leap, but man, is it windy and cold. It is about 39 degrees in the wind chill. I don't know what the wind chill is, but ow. Take a look at the view I've got here. I can swap it around. Anyway, here's the view. There's a little Lover's Leap wall. Walk down here. I don't think I'm gonna be able to get the drone up. It's just way, way too windy. So anyway, guys, here's the view from Lover's Leap, and you can see the trees, how they're broken off from apparently the windstorms that have come through here. The wind is really, really tough right now. All right, guys, the story on this place, for the people of you who are in the area, the one that I've always been told is that there was an Indian couple from two different tribes. They fell in love with each other, but they were forbidden to be together because they were from two different tribes. So they loved each other so much they come up here and jumped. Now, whether there's any truth to that, I don't know. But anyway, that's the local story that's associated with this place right here. And as you can see, there have been several people here signing the wall. Every year it seems to change. So anyway, I'll give you guys one last look. And man, is it cold. Man, it's terrible. Wow. Oh my God. Ugh, it is cold. I bet there's 50-mile-an-hour winds blowing up here. So, needless to say, the drone will not be taken off. We'll have to come back up here another day when it's a little bit, well, a lot warmer. So, guys, that's Lover's Leap. Riza, maybe one day I can bring you up here in person, but not in the freezing cold like it is right now, because I'm sure you would not enjoy this, because it is far, far from tropical. Like I say, I bet it's 39 degrees. And the wind chill, there's no telling what the wind chill is, because it's cold. Well, guys, you know, the other day we went up to Lover's Leap. We tried to get some photos, but it ended up snowing on us, and it was just so daggone cold that I couldn't stand to get out, and the wind was blowing too hard to get the drone up. Well, you know, it's like a perfect day today. It's a little light breeze blowing, and I don't really think that would affect the drone that much. So I think we're going to take the Camaro here. We're going to throw on the GoPros, and we're going to go back up to Lover's Leap and see if we can get some decent shots. So guys, let's give it a try. Wow, what an amazing difference it is just in a couple of days up here. So I think we're gonna be able to get the drone up and get some good shots. So I don't know if you can see it with this particular camera, but see off there in the distance, there's the mountains and there's the Lover's Leap. And let's get the drone up. Guys, this is something new that they've started here at the Leap. It's called the Lock Tower. Now, if anyone can tell me what that's all about, please drop it in the link in the description down below. I guess there's names written on some of the locks. But I really don't know what's up with that. Check it out, guys. Not only do we have locks on the poles, we've got locks on the drain too. That's about. Well, guys, the weather's a whole lot more acceptable today than it was just a few days ago when it was so daggone cold. I didn't have a heavy enough coat on and it was snowing. So honestly, I'm here today in a t-shirt and it's nice and warm. It's a little breeze blowing, but nothing like it was. Camara's even got bugs all over it, so I'm gonna have to wash it, I guess, when I get back. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this little trip to Lover's Leap in Virginia, and I hope to take you around to many more places. And I got something coming for the Camaro this week, where we had a little accident. I don't know if you can see it on that clip I gave you with the car, but it was actually when I was up here the other day when it was so cold. I hit a hole, and the hole was right at the road, and the pavement just gouged the crap out of my front splitter and busted it and tore it up. So we're gonna have to fix that. So guys, stay tuned this week. We get the new one in. It's going to be a little bit different. We'll show you about it in the upcoming video. Let's take a trip back home. See, there's our carbon fiber splitter. See, it busted it, cracked it all the way around. It's busted on the whole corner up underneath. You see, it's just it's ruined. So that's gonna be a future repair. I got a different one coming. It's still gonna be the carbon fiber, but I'll tell you more about it and show you on the installation later on in the week. So guys, that's gonna do it for this particular video. Hope you liked what you've seen. If you did, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and like always, give us some love, hit that notification bell, and we will see you on the next one.